Video number 20, lesson number 10, first grade Tibetan language textbook. So in this lesson, we are going to learn 2 of the 4 subjoined consonants. So in Tibetan language, we have 4 letters that could be used to subjoin with other consonants. And from what I've read, the reason why we have these 4 letters to subjoin is in order to accommodate spoken Tibetan language. So there are words in Tibetan language that require or that could not be pronounced properly without the help of these 4 subjoined consonants. So these 4 letters are Ya, Ra, La, and Wa. And then the same letters here in Uchen, Ya, Ra, La, and Wa. So on this side we have the examples in Ume, and then on this side we have it in Uchen. So as far as the first subjoined consonant is concerned, it could be used to attach to only 7 selected letters, and those 7 letters are Ka, 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 and then Pa, 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 and Ma. So only to these 7 letters you could use this subjoined consonants, and when it's used, this character right here becomes this character here at the bottom. So this would be Ka, Yata, Kya, Ka, Yata, Kya, Ka, Yata, Kya, Pa, Yata, Cha, Pa, Yata, Cha, Pa, Yata, Cha, Ma, Yata, Nya. So that's how it's pronounced. And if you remember from maybe lesson number 1 or lesson number 2, the alphabet number 5, 6, 7, and 8 sounds exactly like these 4 right here. Cha, 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 and Nya. And then at the bottom here we have the 6 letters to which the Lata could be attached or subjoined. So this character right here becomes this character here at the bottom. So these are Lata. So the 6 letters to which you could attach the Lata are Ka, Lata, La, Ka, Lata, La, Pa, Lata, La, Ra, Lata, La, Sa, Lata, La, and then Sa, Lata, Da. So except for this one, all these 5 sounds exactly the same when you pronounce. So it's Kalapta La, Kalata La, Palata La, Ralapta La, Salapta La. So it sounds exactly the same, except for this guy right here, and this one when you read it, it's gonna be Sa, Lata, Da. So you might wonder, why do they all sound similar, and what's the purpose? The reason is depending on the word, depending on what word you're using. So it could be, this could be used, or I mean any of these 5 could be used. So as an example, we could say lung, right? Ra, lung meaning air or wind. So that's like Ra, Lata, La Shabju, Lunga lung, meaning lung meaning air or wind. However, if you spell it with Kalapta La Shamju Lunga lung, it's incorrect. If you spell it with Kalapta La Shamju Lunga lung, it's incorrect. So even though it sounds exactly the same, but whoever's reading on the other side, they're not going to get it. So, or maybe they might make an educated guess and feel, oh, probably he or she misspelled it. Maybe they mean to say lung, even though they spell it with any of the other 4 instead of this one right here. And so similarly, you could say lama, right? If you say ra lapta la and then ma, you're gonna get your ass kicked. So that's an incorrect spelling. So it has to be pa lata la ma lama. So if you spell it like that, then it's correct. If you spell it with ra lapta la ma, then it's incorrect. So that's why you got to be careful when you spell it, because the meaning could totally change. So on this side, then we have the exact lesson in Uchen. So that's okay. So the ya right here in Uchen becomes this character here at the bottom, and then the la really did not change. So if you look here, these two look identical. However, the ya, the yata, the ya here and this character right here looks different. And then over here on the Uchen side, if you look, the ya and this yata here looks different, and then the la here and then the la here looks totally different. So this would be kayata kya, kayata kya, kayata kya, and then pahyata cha, payata cha, payata cha, and mayata nya. And we have 7 of these, right? And then down here we have the 6 lata, and those are kalata la, kalata la, palata la, ralata la, salapta la, and salapta da. So this is the only one that sounds different. Otherwise, these 5 sound identical. And so this is kahyata, kahyata, kayata, payata, pahyata, payata, mayata. And then down here, kalata, kalata, palata, ralata, salata, and salata. Because there is no exact letter that sounds like sa, so this is the closest one. So sa, so this is sa, this is not za. Sa, salata, da. And I think that's pretty much it for this lesson right here. So until the next video, keep practicing, and if possible, help others. If not, at least restrain from harming others. Thanks a lot.